Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your blog in WordPress. We need a domain name and a web host provider that can host the site for us if the name is available. There are different web hosting providers that you can buy your domain from. In this video, we are going to show you the process of setting up your new domain and host through NameCheap. If you go through the process, it will be the same procedure applicable for other hosting providers. After that, we will go to our cPanel for the management of our domain, and this is where we can install WordPress. Let's get started and see how to first set up your domain and hosting in NameCheap. Search Google for NameCheap, click the link to their website, create a new account, enter your details, go to NameCheap.com. You may now log in to your NameCheap account. First, you need to check if the domain you choose for your WordPress blog site is available. Type in your chosen domain name, and as you click the search button, it will direct you to the page saying if it's available or not. You can also have some domain recommendations here, but let's choose a preferred name. Click Add to Cart. You will see Web Hosting and click the Add to Cart icon. This will be our hosting server. This is the overview of your chosen products from NameCheap, our domain name we chose, and the hosting server for our domain name. Now click View Cart. In this page, you can change the duration of your subscription in the drop-down menus. Now confirm your order. Here's the order review showing your domain registration, stellar hosting, and the total amount. You may also see your payment details here. Then check the terms and agreement. Click Pay Now. It's now processing your order, which may take a few minutes. You may see this message once it's done, including your purchase summary. Now let's manage our domain. Click the Manage button. Under the domain list, you may see the domain name and the hosting we bought. Let's manage our domain name. Here you may see the validity of our domain. Check the name servers. It's already set up to NameCheap Web Hosting DNS. If you want to connect this domain to use on a different hosting provider, you may use Custom and input the name servers in this area. Sample default name servers you might encounter looks like these. Now let's manage our hosting server. Click Products. This is the hosting server and click Manage. Look for cPanel, or you may click this button to direct us to the cPanel page. We may also scroll down to Software and click the Go to cPanel button, as it will also direct us to the cPanel page. We may copy the cPanel URL here so that we don't have to log in to our NameCheap account every time we need to access cPanel. Now we are in our cPanel page. We can use this to manage our hosting details, access File Manager, FTP, manage the databases connected to your domain, add another domain, emails, and much more. From our cPanel, we may now install WordPress. Look for the Softaculous Apps installer. You will see WordPress. Click this icon and you will be directed to another page where we can install WordPress. Click Install. It will bring up the setup page. Now choose Protocol. Choose the domain. If you want to install WordPress directly to your domain name, you may leave this in directory field blank, or you may add a directory like WordPress so that your WordPress site may be accessed through the address you'll see in the screen. Under Admin Account, input your username, password. You may also click the Generate key to let this generate a strong password for your account, an admin email. Take note of this information. Click Install. It will take some time to complete. When it is done, you may see the congratulations message, including the URL of your created WordPress site. Let's click on this link. Notice that it is a clean installation of WordPress in our domain. Going back, click the administrative URL, where we may also copy for later access. We have successfully created our WordPress blog site. Here we are at our dashboard. click the Customize Your Site button. Under Active Theme, you may click the Change button to choose a theme. You will be directed to the preview of the available installed themes and WordPress.org themes. You can choose the theme you prefer and click Install and Preview. Then you will get a preview of your theme. You may start customizing from there. Let's choose one of the installed themes before this. As you click the site identity, you may edit the site title and tagline. You may also upload a logo and a site icon. Logo is best at 250 by 250 pixels, while the site icon is best at 512 by 512 pixels. Colors. You may choose a color scheme with options light, dark, and custom. We may also change the color of the text header as we click this. Going back, let's choose Header Media. We may have an option to include a header video from our drive or from YouTube. With a current header, you may hide image, add a new image, or randomize uploaded headers. With menus, you will see Social Link menu and Top menu. When we click the top menu, it includes Home, About, Blog, and Contact. When you click Add Items, you will see this pop-up window, and in this field, you may add a new page. Add your desired menus. When you click Reorder, you can choose what menus you want to arrange. Once finished, click Done. Let's go to Social Links. We do have 5 social links, and we may reorder them depending on our preference. On the right side of the page, you may see the preview of the site as we arrange these social links. One by one, we may edit these, enter the details, or remove each link. As we click Widgets, we can edit the blog sidebar and footers. With blog sidebar, you may view the content in this area. The text Find Us is located here. We may also edit this as this is a default content which may not be applicable to our site's info. Click Done. Click the text about this site and you may edit this too. Add a widget will show you this pop-up window and you may choose from any of these to add to your page. The footer 1 is this area right here, while footer 2 is this right side area. Homepage settings. You may choose what page is displayed as default in your homepage. The options are your latest posts and static page. Theme options. With page layout, you may choose 1 or 2 column layouts. The front page sections 1, 2, 3, 4, content are these menus here. Section 1 is the homepage. Section 2 is the About page. Section 3 is the blog page. And Section 4 is the contact page. When you're done, you may click Activate and Publish to view your sites live in the web. In addition, we may also look for free themes in Google. With Scholarlib, they do have a video on how you can install their themes for your WordPress site. Theme Forest is a great site for web themes and templates, especially for WordPress. They offer great selection of themes, which you may get once you subscribe to them. You may also search for themes under your WordPress site. Under Appearance, choose Themes, and use the search bar to find themes, or you may browse them. Choose a theme, and click the button to activate it. Now you have chosen your themes, we can now add our first blog post. Go to your dashboard, click Post, then Add New. Type in the title of your new post and the contents here. You may also add a media if you want to include a picture from your media library or upload a new one. Click Insert into Post. You may also set a featured image for your post as a thumbnail. Then before you publish it, look at the preview. You can go back and make some changes, and when you're satisfied with how it looks and the content, you may now click Publish. Post published, and now View Post. Let's add a WordPress page. Go back to your dashboard, click Pages, Add New. Enter the title of our new page, add in the description, Click Publish. Page is published and let's view our page. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to get more learning videos. If you have questions, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Check us out!